And farmers across the country have resorted to harvesting and storing rain runoff water to sustain agricultural activities around the year. This is expected to supplement the government's target of constructing 125,000 household irrigation water storage facilities to harvest and store about 125 million cubic meters of water that would put 125,000 acres under irrigation. As Nduta Mukami narrates, the practice has taken root in Nakuru, where harvested rain runoff water is supporting various agricultural activities.
Rainfall patterns across the country have changed with the long rainy season becoming shorter, an offshoot of climate change that has seen farmers struggle to maintain their livelihoods. This has also seen farmers in Molo, Nakuru County devise ways of making terraces to curb soil erosion and harvest rain runoff water. Their mechanisms filter soil from surface runoff and direct water to retention ditches and storage tanks, which they use to irrigate their farms. Extension services have been incorporated through a sustainable land management program that has seen 514 farms rehabilitated to support high-yielding crops and pasture. Part of the program entails the desilting of small multi-purpose water pans filled with eroded topsoil from farms in Molo, Njoro and Bahati.
Maji nyumaye itakuja isaidia watu na irrigation, itasaidia watu na domestic use, kwa sababu this is a semi-arid area, hawezi wakajimudu kimaisha, kwa sababu hata mkipanda matunda kuwe na jua yote inaharibika. Hakuna maji ila tunaweza sema ati lazima ati hiyo maji inapatikana kwa Bahati na about 3 kilometers from here ndio unaweza pata maji.
Experts are advising those living in rain-deficient areas to shift from rain-dependent agricultural practices to sustainable methods of food production like water harvesting and greenhouse technologies.
Putting in mind that climate change is one of the determining factors when it comes to food production. So in Africa, people have been encouraged to actually embrace nature-based solutions which help to cushion the food production. That is in terms of farmers embracing smart agriculture.
He is urging county governments and partners to invest in rainwater harvesting programs and scale up awareness among smallholder farmers about water harvesting to support agriculture and protect fragile ecosystems.
Rainfall harvesting has been one of the mechanisms that farmers have been advised to engage in. Secondly, also farmers have been advised to engage in what we call greenhouses, whereby farmers end up growing crops in regulated or modified kind of environmental conditions, and this will help them to actually increase their cropping solutions. These are what we call adaptation measures that help us to cushion ourselves against the impacts of climate change.
Nduta Mukami for Prime Edition.